Rappa-loop-a-loop-a-bam-away. Do-ba-ba-do-ba-ba-bay. You still got play. Man called bodyguard. Man called Rodigan. Man called Rory Stone Love. And that Roy of King still got play. Rappa-doop-a-doop-a-bam-away. Rappa-doop-a-doop-a-bam-away. It's how we play rubber-dub every day. Play them from the sample leads the way. Come on down with me, no matter what they say. Strictly rubber-dub we a play. Strictly rubber-dub we a play. Strictly roots rock and reggae. The still got a play from the sample leads the way. Come on down with me, matter what they say, but you can hear my words say. Rubber-dub-a-doop-a-bam-away. Do-ba-ba-do-ba-ba-bay. See ba-ba-do-ba-ba-away. Do-ba-do-ba-do-ba-ba-bay. Very young, I only gotta make the good times roll. Never hear it hit you from the start. I'ma make me dig you from the start. Baby, don't break my heart. Rubber-dub style from the song called Still Goodbye Fire. I want me say. Yeah. So Mr. Babylon, why don't you leave the ganja man? Mr. Babylon, yo, why make you not leave the sensi man? Them say herb is the healing of the nation, for every little nation.
This is for real. You see that patch there, it a Indica, and a patch there, it a Cambola, and a patch over there, so Alaska.
For real, I tell you.
I work so hard just to get my pay. At the end of the day, this is what I see. Babylon come in, want to take off my weed. Amazura gets me to the sunshine, the rain from the forests, where I'll always be.
Where I'm gonna be.
Man in a coconut tree top.
Yeah.
I'll be watching my earth feel.
What me say? Mr. Babylon, what make you no leave the ganja man? Tell me some Mr. Babylon, yo. Why don't you leave the sensi man? What me tell you? It's a herb is the healing of the nation. Not just one nation, for every generation.
Hey. Well, I'm from the West Indies, I smoke the best Indies. All of my money is invested weed. Hey, I've got a special interest in weed. So today, the cops may be on.
Talk to them, Bushman. Yeah, Prof. What I said, Prof. This is the Professor Nuts. Come tell them.
Dance over, come on, you chuck it pan you, you must. Dance over, can him run up him. Shut it.
For real. Ganja man.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. Sneak preview. Dance over, come on, you chuck it pan you, you must. Dance over, can him run up him mouth just. Dance over, can him go on like him, but you just dance over, cause I'm Mickey Mouse. When I'm Mickey Mouse, that him a the immediate, like a head can't a fool incompetent, but him is
yeah.
Tell him all of that and him a chat all, you don't answer back. While him a chat, no answer him back. Mouth cut crossways, the mouth make fi chat. Him a know you that if he knock your back. No pay that, no mind, do not react. Cause we might touch up and you go react. Back your cutlass, land him a dozen chop. It's after him dead, now you a go think back and say if me did, me will not chop him. So then
talk to them, Prof.
Daddy.
But say don't worry
No more
about a thing, cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Amazura, Yeah, don't worry about the thing. So every little thing is gonna be alright, yo. When I tell you, say, don't you worry about a thing, yo. Every little thing, people, is surely gonna be alright, yo. I'll rise up this morning, I'll rise to the rising sun. We said 3 little birds sit upon my doorstep. Them just singing sweet song, a melody pure and clear. So tell you, this is a message to you, young people.
Your eyes are up this morning, thanks to see the rising sun.
Oh, I never let you go.
Yes. Yeah, Rastafari, yes. Oh, Lord. See, your eyes are up this morning, thanks to see the rising sun, oh God.
Bushman!
Even when it's dawning, thanks to see the day has come. The time is so perilous, mankind gets so dangerous. In this time we don't know who to trust. Sing it with me.
Yeah, yeah.
Said it's so.
To give thanks and praise
to Jah every day.
Every day.
Yes, it's so.
Really,
Give thanks and praise.
Sing Selassie every day.
On the way.
Right along the way. Yeah. When me say people don't worry about a thing. I me say every little thing, people really gonna be alright, yo.
Come chat with me.